Pure Maintenance of Kansas cares about the air quality for homes in our neighborhoods and gathering places across our community. The Limestone Community School is housed in a historic building and is committed to providing a safe learning environment for its students and staff. Today, Pure Maintenance of Kansas is stepping in to ensure that commitment extends to the air quality within its walls. By proactively applying a dry fog technology, Pure Maintenance of Kansas prevents mold and bacterial growth before it becomes a problem. This is an essential service for any commercial or institutional space. This isn't the only environment we are closely monitoring. In an ever-changing regulatory environment at the federal and local levels, we are closely monitoring OSHA and similar agency recommendations. Our crews suit up in hazmat gear to follow industry guidelines, but above all, to protect our workers and our customers. And we are actually volunteering this project itself because we care about the health of our community. Before putting that protective gear on, we actually test our systems with just plain water. Madeline Herrera, director of the Limestone Community School, feels moved by the generosity of Pure Maintenance.
I was absolutely floored. So 50% of our students are receiving financial aid. That means we don't have a lot of extra room on our budget for things that we would like to do, like preventative mold treatment.
Pete Johnson is a project manager for Pure Maintenance of Kansas. He explains how our proactive treatment works and why it plays a crucial role in buildings like the Limestone Community School.
Yeah, absolutely. Reactive is, we've probably already found there's visible mold on the wall somewhere, on the floor, somewhere in the building, in the HVAC system. So you, obviously at that point, you need to jump right on it. That's being reactive with a mold situation. Being proactive is just going in and doing our dry fog system, using our technology to go ahead and make sure that we are taking care of the problem before it gets to that, before the mold starts to grow onto the walls, and go ahead and basically kill any of the pathogens, bacteria, or mold that could be sporing out and spreading throughout the building.
Rather than waiting for mold to become a visible or hazardous issue, Pure Maintenance of Kansas takes a preventative approach. This treatment suits any large-scale facility where mold spores can travel undetected through air vents, posing an ongoing health risk. Our patented demolition-free remediation service can be applied to hospitals, universities, corporate headquarters, and other institutions.
The great thing about this technology is that we can use it in larger areas such as schools and hospitals. Because of the pressurized air system that we use, we can spread it out. It's going to hit every crevice of a building, every little crack, every little hole. We can do very large spaces, or we can do residential smaller spaces too as well. The system works the same. It'll be able to kill any of the mold spores, any of the bacteria, any of the pathogens that are in the air or on the surfaces too as well.
By the end of the day, Pure Maintenance completes a full remediation of the school, ensuring that students and faculty can return to a space with dramatically improved air quality. The impact of this effort extends beyond just one building. It serves as a testament to the importance of proactive mold treatment in any institutional setting. And for Herrera, it's a reminder that safety, both physical and psychological, must always come first.
So being a school director, you're working with a vulnerable population. You're working with children. Some of our children have medical conditions that make them more at risk for infection and sickness. Some of our family members are medically fragile. And so it's really important to me that we do what we can to reduce risk of infection. And I think this is one powerful step that we can be taking. So it would be my hope that it will, if not reduce the number of sickness that we have in our school community, at least not, it would help so that those issues don't multiply as the years go on.
For more information or to schedule a free estimate, visit puremaintenanceks.com.